If you've ever flown a drone in the mountains, near a ravine, or anywhere the ground isn't flat, you've probably wondered, does the standard altitude law even make sense here? Most explanations of the 120-meter or 400-foot altitude limit only cover flat, open ground. Nobody explains what happens when the terrain drops away beneath you. Here's the actual rule, and it's smarter than most pilots realize. The law defines your altitude limit as the distance to the closest point on the ground directly beneath the aircraft, not a flat ceiling measured from your takeoff point. This means as you fly from a valley floor toward a rising mountainside, your legal altitude ceiling actually decreases because the ground is rising up to meet you. But here's where it gets genuinely tricky. Most consumer drone apps calculate altitude based on your takeoff point, not the true ground level directly beneath the aircraft in real time. If you launch from the edge of a cliff or ravine and fly out over the drop, your app might show you as being near ground level, when in reality you're hundreds of feet above the true terrain far below. The number on your screen and the legal reality can disagree. So what actually applies if you're flying in a ravine with steep walls close on either side? Technically, the law allows you to remain within 120 meters of whatever ground is directly beneath you at each moment, which does adjust as terrain changes. But in practice, in tight terrain like a ravine, you'll hit a real physical obstacle, a rock wall, a dense tree line, long before you'd ever approach that legal ceiling. Which means in genuinely mountainous or ravine terrain, the limiting factor usually isn't the law at all. It's line of sight, radio signal reliability, and physical obstacle clearance. The 120-meter rule still technically applies, but it stops being the thing you actually need to worry about. If you fly in terrain like this, the real skill isn't memorizing the legal number. It's understanding when physics and geography take over as the real constraint. Subscribe for more of the stuff standard drone guides skip over.